forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, drop. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with
they
that.
always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I know it's been a while. I haven't been on here for a hot minute, right? I know. Happy New Year to everybody. Is it like too late in the year to say that, mid-January? But nonetheless, Happy New Year. I hope you're all good. Yeah, feels good to be back here, guys, and you know, turning the camera on and speaking to you guys once again and connecting with you guys once again. Yeah, I have been really good. I'm doing really well. Thank you to everybody that reached out just to ask, how are you doing, Deezer? I haven't seen you in a while. No, I'm doing good. I just needed a bit of a break, but it's all good, and yeah, everything's gravy, as they say. So today, guys, I don't know, this is like a solo day. I think I'm just gonna maybe entitle this vlog solo day, because I feel like today I'm just doing me today. As you can see, I'm in the car by myself. The outlaw's at work, and for the past few weeks I've just spent like almost every day in the house, not because I'm feeling any type of way or anything, just because outlaw's out during the daytime. I'm at home. I'm that housewife right now, homemaker. Yeah, just at home. I really don't go out. Haven't really been out in the last few weeks, and I just thought, you know, I'm going to get out of the house and do something for me. One of the things that I put on my vision board for this year is to, and I think I mentioned this last year maybe in a vlog, is that I wanted to take some more time for myself in terms of like well-being and self-care, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today. So my self-care up until this point is just do my eyebrows and that's it, get them waxed and that's it. Very different from what it used to be like in the UK. And I was really adamant that this year I just wanted to take some time to look after myself, treat myself, look after my skin, look after my health and well-being, and that starts today. So I'm going to, yeah, of course, get my eyebrows done, but I'm going to get a facial as well. I'm on the way to an appointment now. Hopefully I get them in time. I'm running a little late, so I'm going to be getting a facial today, eyebrows and facial. I wanted to get a manicure and a pedicure, but the beauticians that I'm going to, the beauty salon, couldn't fit me in for that. I mean, I only booked it yesterday evening, so it was a last minute booking, so they haven't got any availability. But and I want to do everything in one place, and maybe another day I'll come back and do that. But today I'm getting a facial. I haven't had a facial in years, guys, so I'm really looking forward to that. But like I said, it's just all about self-care for me this year, amongst other things, but that's one of the things, like I said, that was on my vision board for this year: health, well-being and self-care. So yes, guys, that starts today. So I'm going to take you on the journey with me, and who knows, after that, I don't know what I'm going to do after that, but I'm going to spend a little bit of time on the road, and just do things that I enjoy, and just, you know, have a date today, have a date with myself. Like, you have a solo date, right? For those of you who have been asking, are you still doing tours, because I see Outlaw's dropping school children? Yes, we are. So let me just quickly explain. So yes, Outlaw is working. He drives a private school bus. He takes his children to and from school, Monday to Fridays. And what's really good about the work he does is that he can be flexible. Okay, now we find that most of our bookings are seasonal, so in the holiday times, Easter, summer and Christmas is our busiest times, and he doesn't work during those times because the kids are not at school during those times. So it works for us. You know, most of our bookings are during those times anyway. If we do get a booking, or if we do take a booking on, which is not in the seasonal time, then Outlaw can be flexible with his work. He can, you know, if he needs to take a few days off or the week off to fulfill bookings, no problem. So guys, when we're busy with bookings, Outlaw will be fulfilling those bookings. When things are more quieter like they are now, then he goes and drives the school bus. So hopefully that clarifies that, because some of you are asking. Yeah, so today guys, it's just all about looking after myself, taking care of myself. Yeah, just getting out the house and just taking care of Deezer. Like, I feel like, do you know what, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, for a few years, and I always put it off. And do you know what, the Outlaw is so supportive, right? He always says, Deezer, if you want to go and do your hair, if you want to go do your nails, if you want to take time out and, you know, do this or do that, go on, do it. And I'm always making an excuse. I'm always like, no, you know, we could be doing other things, you know, that money could go towards this or this or this, you know. And I've always just kind of put everything else first and put like my personal self on the back burner sometimes. And so this year I just thought, you know what, your health is important, well-being is important, and self-care is important, and that's what I'm trying to focus on a bit this year. So it starts today, and I'm going to take you on the journey. So guys, I'll see you in a few.
If you get Jawa, come on, pass it down. I go just para, come on, my jigga. I go just day, follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm fucking dynamite. After your candle light, you know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe. You nothing kill, you nothing kill, you nothing kill my vibe.
You see the difference with
Yeah,
the skin
yeah.
and after dead cells.
Because I've always had very dry skin, and I think probably I'm not using the right products either.
I'm gonna use something with aromatic in it because it's good for dry skin.
Okay. What kind of like things would you suggest? Drugstore or pharmacy products? Because I know my skin is quite sensitive as well. I have eczema as well.
You have eczema?
Yeah. Okay guys, so I've just finished. I actually went in just for eyebrow wax and a facial. I came out with an eyebrow wax, facial, and a dermabrasion treatment on my skin. So yeah, which I appreciate. The lady, I went to Fingers and Faces. You would have seen some of the treatment that I got, not all of it, but you would have seen some of the treatment that I've got. I've inserted the clips, and every time I go in there, they always look at your skin, suggest what you need. Like I say, always just going for eyebrow wax, but it's my year this year for health and self-care. So I had that, the facial, which was amazing. They steamed my face and, you know, did all of that. And then I had the dermabrasion treatment, because I do have eczema, so sometimes my skin can be quite dry, my face can be quite dry at times. I can't use anything on my skin or my face. My skin's quite sensitive, so that was a really good treatment. And then I left booking laser removal treatment, guys. So the next time I go back, probably in about 3 or 4 weeks, I'm going to be starting laser removal treatment. Yeah, and the prices are not bad, guys. The prices are not so bad. So for smaller areas, it's about $10,000 per treatment, and you need about 6 treatments. You have to go every 4 to 6 weeks. For larger areas, like if you're doing like your full leg, I guess it's more, but for smaller areas, it's about $10,000 per treatment, and you need about 6 sessions, which I think is really good. I mean, I don't know how much it is abroad, but I think it's really good. Guys, has anybody had laser removal treatment before? I'm looking forward to it. I'm a bit scared that it might hurt. Let me know your experiences down below. It's now, what time is it? 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I've not eaten anything from morning, not even a little breakfast, nothing to catch up my stomach from morning. So as this is a solo date, I'm gonna go out for lunch by myself. I'm gonna find somewhere nice, somewhere that I've not had lunch, somewhere that I've not eaten before. I might go over to Island Village. They've got like different restaurants over there, different eateries, and I'm just gonna sit down and buy myself some lunch and just enjoy the rest of my afternoon. So see you in a few. Alright, so I'm pulling into the car park for Island Village. Yeah, 16 space.
phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body.
So I opted for Margaritaville and Ochi. I haven't been to this one in a long time. Years since I've been to this Margaritaville, even though I pass it all the time. But yeah, you know, sometimes we have so much things on our doorstep, so much restaurants and attractions, and because we live there, but we live close to the area we don't go, it's like I've never been to Buckingham Palace and I live in London. Like, it's the same kind of thing. But today I just thought I'm going to come out my comfort zone and just explore and just enjoy what's on my doorstep. So yeah, I'm in Margaritaville this afternoon, gonna have lunch. Solo date, yeah, but look at the view, guys. Just look at this view. Ocean's 11's right across there. On Tuesday they have karaoke there and all sorts of different things during the week. But yeah. You see the restaurant over there. Beach right here. Yeah. So I've ordered a pina colada. Guys, if you know me, you know that pina colada is my drink. Rum cream and pina colada. I don't drink. I'm not a drinker. I'm very lightheaded. But if I'm out and about, I'll take a one pina colada. Yes. So I've ordered a pina colada. Tastes good. Not too strong, not too weak. Just right for me. Cheers. So I got the fish sandwich, or the fish burger. Got coleslaw in it, fish burger bun, fries, and of course my pina colada. It's good. Alright people, this is where it's at. I am done. Left like quarter of the chicken, the fish burger. It was good. It was, yeah, it tasted like proper fish, not that pate rubbish. It was like proper flaky sea fish. So it was good. So I'm busted now. Full. My solo date is over. I'm back in the car now. I just had finished my lunch at Margaritaville. Guys, I've had an amazing day. Like, to be honest, I was a bit apprehensive this morning when I decided to, because I've been thinking about doing this for a little while. And I was a bit apprehensive this morning because I thought, oh, going out by myself, and, you know, Outlaw and I like Batty and Bench more time. Where you see me, you see him. Where you see him, you see me more time. But, you know, because of how his work is set up now, we're not together as much. You know, like everywhere he goes I would be there and vice versa, and it's not really like that right now at the moment, especially over the last few months actually, especially the last couple of weeks. And so like I said earlier, I've just been sat at home, and I think it's good to get out. It's good to get out, guys. Today is about me and me only. People, I don't even know. It's bad to say, I don't even know what they're gonna have for dinner later on, because I cook every single day. I cook every single day. When they come home, dinner's cooked ready, you understand? And so by the time I get home, I'm not putting on no pot, I'm not sending over no pot. So it's Thursday today, so I think today is going to be our Friday. So I think we're gonna have to get some takeout today. Yeah, and Friday tomorrow I'll cook. But I've had such a great time, and I think it's well needed. It's well needed, and I'm really glad that I've started off the new year in this kind of vein, so to speak. So I'm going to continue with my self-care. Maybe I'll take myself out on a day every month, who knows, you know, as long as Outlaw's at work. I mean, you know, once he's not working, you're going to see me and him together, right? Like, we'll be doing these things together. But yeah, and I love that Outlaw is so supportive of anything I want to do. He's so supportive. So, you know, if I want to go out and, you know, and do my thing, he's, babes, go and do it. He always just says, you know, be careful. Of course, I always have to be cautious and be careful. And that's why I choose to go to places that are a little bit more secure, a little bit more safer. That's why I just stayed in the town of Ocho Rios today and did everything I needed to do, because everything's here. So yes, guys, that's really it. Please do share the videos with people that you may know that may enjoy these videos. Tell them that there's this British lady that lives in Jamaica. She's showcasing her life and giving advice and doing all kind of things out there. So please share our videos, guys. Please like. This is January 2023, okay? So let's start as we need to go on. Please press the like button. When you press the like button, it does something to the algorithm. YouTube sends it to other people that may be interested in our videos. Please watch the ads. I know some of them are long, but if you can watch 30 seconds of the ads, that helps us. That helps to generate an income for us. And in doing that, that helps us to put out more videos. And leave a comment, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, what type of videos would you like to see more of? Guys, we really appreciate all of you. We love all of you. We love the support, honestly. Yeah, you guys are the best. DMS family, that's what I'm calling you now. DMS family. So when I say DMS family, you know what I mean, that Miss family. That's you guys, DMS family. Guys, big up yourself. Thank you so much. And until the next time, that Miss